What kind of crazy are you?
Hiya. Can you believe it? We've been here in Drieschta for 3 years now. For 3 years we've been living the permaculture lifestyle in Drieschta. Well, we've been living in Drieschta, Paradische Drieschta, which is our paradise Drieschta. Drieschta's the name of the hill.
Everybody's crazy, just a little crazy. Nobody is normal. What kind of crazy are you?
We've been living here and the lifestyle of the land, or what the land gives us and how we adapt to the lifestyle.
Everybody's crazy, just a little
Changes
crazy.
every day. And we've been using permaculture as a tool, because permaculture is a tool that gives you the possibilities to make anything you want and create anything you want, as long as you listen to nature. And it's one of the easiest and quickest ways to alchemy, because alchemy and permaculture is, for me, it's one.
Now you know you're crazy. Well, what you gonna do?
But these 3 years feel just as long as it feels since I last gave you an English update. Time. When you turn up every day to be in nature, and you turn up for nature every day, time becomes something.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Becomes one. It's very hard to decipher what week's what and when happened when. That's a good reason we have a video, so we can always look back. Oh, what have we learned? We've learned so much. One of the most important things that I've learned is, if you turn up every day,
What you gonna do?
doesn't matter what mood you're in, if you're full of it or you're down with it, doesn't matter. If you turn up every day, you get better every day. If you pay attention, you learn with every mistake. And I knew it was going to be hard work, and I knew your commitment, you got to give all. But I could have never known, and I'm not even sure you're going to believe me, but it's a lot harder than you think, especially here in Drieschta. Well, not especially here in Drieschta, it's harder than you think.
What you gonna do?
What kind of crazy are you?
Everyone wants to change, but no one wants the commitment. No one wants the responsibility. No one wants the bleeding fingers. But it is so rewarding. I'm telling you, it's rewarding turning up 3 years in a row, every single day, to be yourself and to grow and experience, because what Drieschta's giving us, one experience after the other, the good, the bad, the ugly, the good looking. Well, the moments where you just don't want to do without, and the moments that you could do without.
What kind of crazy are you?
But the good thing is, we've got ourselves and we've got the belief.
What kind of crazy are you?
And permaculture has also given me a pigsty.
What kind of crazy are you?
And because I did it with permaculture, well, through the lenses of permaculture, talking of which, lenses is new. 3 years ago I didn't have glasses that I do now. But anyway, through the lenses of permaculture, using what I have and what's around, and using the physics of nature, I got a pigsty for 12 francs it's cost me so far, and a pig could move in this evening if she wanted. Having animals is also something amazing. The personality, the roles, the connection. The connection with animals is just an amazing thing. Not easy, but so enriching. and so truthful.
You could get all wonky, acting like a monkey. Just gotta keep it funky. You might come up with something.
When I say alchemy, I say magic's all around me. Living in nature, being part of it,
If you're feeling idle, maybe you and I could.
is enrichment beyond your belief. You find your natural powers, your magical powers, or just your talents and gifts.
Ride a unicycle while playing a kazoo. Hit it.
Realise that creation is the only way. Being part of creation, using all of God's gifts.
Well, if you've got odd behavior, then do yourself a favor. Just love your crazy flavor, let it all shine through.
So much more than permaculture. So much more. Living in nature, with the rhythm of nature, following your calling, especially following your calling, is something that makes you happy. It doesn't make it easy, but it makes you happy because you're following you makes it to your soul's content or to your heart's content. Turning up and doing the right thing for yourself, not out of egoistical reasons, just because you know you're fulfilling your role. Being part of nature and just naturally be you. These are things that you have to learn or you have to experience, or we had to, and the things that make it so much easier even when it's hard. The belief in yourself,
Don't let the straight and fall.
the belief in permaculture or regenerative agriculture is just something that we don't need to prove anymore because we all know it works. Especially if you live in it every day, you see it work. And it works. It works. Because otherwise, 3 years, I'm going.
Fool you that they are normal, because you know that they are all just crazy like you.
Yeah, yo, I was crazy as a baby and I never changed. Some people hide their crazy, I put mine on center stage. They used to scream, yo, you're making a scene, stop that. And now I rock hip hop in a purple top hat.
One thing they don't tell you is how much it costs. And that there's no chance living in Drieschta. There's no chance of having enough yet. But we do know and we do believe and we do see that the possibilities will bring us this far. To be able to live, the land will give us, to let us live from the land. And to live from permaculture is a possibility. A live with and from and as a tool. But living is not about making money. Living is not about following the rules. Living is about being part of life. Actively living and taking it as it comes.
And they still scream and now they scream, oh yeah.
Ooh, and do we do that? Do we do that?
I hope I rock a show in Oz and you're all there. I'm a secret agent, acting normal is my alias, but I'm the craziest, far out like aliens.
3 years Paradise Drieschta, and I'm thankful for every second. The transformation is constant.
What kind of crazy are you?
Every day the grass grows longer and the rest changes and develops and grows step by step, area by area, piece by piece, and slowly but surely things grow and establish themselves, rhythms, systems that work, designs that evolve and grow. But then every now and then you slow down, you maybe even stop, because for the next step you need more money and you don't know where that's coming from, honey. So you have bees and you wait for their honey to sell. But you never know. The smell of the flowers and the smell of your sweat might bring admirers and helpers. And along the way, we're very thankful for people that say, I see your work. I see what you're doing. Here's a penny or two to keep you running. Nature isn't perfect, but everything's so right. Everything's so bright, even at night. The patterns, the rhythms, and the sounds. The insects coming back, and the birds singing for joy. The constant cycle of life and death, renewal and repurpose. Can you hear me? Oh, are you deaf? I don't know, but I've said enough. Every now and then I feel really rough, but I'm every day I'm knowing that I'm tough, because nothing's gonna break me. Everything's gonna make me. And as nature goes, it shows when you put in the effort. So turn up and do the same. Whatever your game or your favourite game may be, make sure you play it on your terms, because everything else is just not good for your health. Right, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. See you in 3 years again. Now hopefully I'll make an English update, especially if I get enough likes and enough comments and enough interest, because I'm not always quite sure the English videos are, well, definitely compared to the Swiss German ones. I know the Swiss German ones are wanted, but yeah, anyway, thank you very much. See you soon. And by the way, because you turned up today, the world is already a better place. Thank you.
What kind of crazy are you?